Alright, this is a video on how I fixed a problem with no power up, no buttons working. Basically, you start by removing a series of screws. They are here, 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 here. Whoops. Sorry about that. Here, 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 and here. Then two of them over here. There. And right here. Pop the top off. I went ahead and removed the screw for the power, even though I come to find out you didn't need to. I used a knife edge to wedge the four corners of the screen, pop it out, then basically pull the screen up like this. You got screws on this plate here, 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 then move it down like this, get the screws, the three screws here. This is important. You have to open the UMD door to get the hook right here so that you can pop it out and through. Once you do that, lift your screen up here, kind of twist everything sideways here, and you will find that you have a connector right here. There's a little black bar that you have to flip it up to pull the ribbon cable out. Same is true on the back side of here. You remove this black sticker and there's a little black bar, pop it up. Basically, I don't know, it just was getting a bad connection, and all I had to do was remove it, kind of wipe the ribbon cable with my fingers, put it back in, drop the black bar, did the same up here, drop the black plate in. I'm going to go ahead and reassemble it right now and let you know what happened. But the good news is I can already tell that I fixed it, because probably don't have enough power. Yeah, that's it. Battery's dead. This is such a bonus for me because this PSP has been sitting broken basically for a couple months now. Make sure the UMD hook pops back through. That's good. Hopefully I kept track of all my screws.